ClickSmart Plus. How to use your smart scenario switch in the ClickSmart Plus app. Before you can use your smart switch in the app, you must add tap to run actions for your paired devices. If you have not done this, please see our video on how to add actions to your smart scenario switch. On the smart switch screen, you can control each button independently by selecting the button press type at the top. Once the button press type has been selected, tap either button 1 or button 2 to activate. Each button can be renamed for ease of use. Just tap the pencil icon next to the button name. You can see all the current tap to run actions in the bottom menu. These are split between button 1 and button 2. Actions can be grouped into the switch press type and can be closed and opened for easy viewing. Each action can be disabled by tapping the slider on the right. Once disabled, the action will fade out and will not be activated when the switch is pressed. Tap the slider again to enable that action. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.